In today's video, I am going to teach you Linetypes in AutoCAD Complete tutorial for beginners. By the end, you'll understand what Linetypes are, how to load and manage them, how to assign them properly, and how to fix scaling so dashed lines actually look dashed. Let's start with what a Linetype is in AutoCAD. Every line can display a pattern. A continuous linetype is a solid, unbroken line. A simple linetype is built from repeating dashes, dots, and spaces, like classic dashed or center lines. A complex linetype goes a step further by inserting text or shapes into the pattern, such as a pipeline line with labels embedded at intervals. These patterns communicate meaning on your drawings without adding extra objects. Before you can use a pattern, you need to load it into your drawing. Linetypes live in .lin files, commonly acad.lin or acadiso.lin. To load them, use the linetype command or open the Linetype manager with the LT shortcut. In the manager, click Load, choose the source.lin file and pick the linetypes you want. Once they're in your drawing, you can set one as current in the same manager, so any new objects you draw will use it. Or simply keep it available for use on layers and objects. If you ever need to clean things up, the manager also lets you delete linetypes that aren't in use. The best practice is to assign linetypes by layer. Open the Layer Properties manager, create or select a layer, and set its line type to the pattern you want. Everything on that layer will inherit the correct look, keeping your files consistent and easy to edit. If you have a special case, you can assign a linetype directly to an object through the Properties panel. But reserve that for exceptions so your standards remain tidy. If your dashed or complex lines look solid, that's a scaling issue, not a broken linetype. Use LT scale to control the global spacing of all linetypes in the drawing. Increasing LT scale makes dashes and gaps longer. Decreasing it makes them tighter. After adjusting, check a few typical objects to confirm the pattern reads clearly at your drawing scale. For fine-tuning a single object, use its linetype scale property in the Properties panel to override the global value without affecting everything else. With these basics, knowing the types, loading from .lin files, managing with the Linetype manager, assigning by layer, and dialing in LT scale, you'll get crisp, readable patterns every time. Thanks for watching.